Seamless bidirectional transfer of lead and sales data between customer facing departments is prudent for faster decision making and delivering high quality customer experiences. Let us delve into the demo video on how businesses can deliver faster and more effective customer experiences through Salesforce and priority integration with APPSeCONNECT. Let's check out the demo video.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a look how APPSeCONNECT help to sync data between Salesforce and Priority ERP. To begin with, log into the APPSeCONNECT portal. Once you log into this portal, you can see the package we are going to use. It is already shared with our organization. So if we click on that, in the right side, all the integration points contained by this package will be showing here. Now, if I want to open one of this, in that case, click on this 3 button and from this context menu, choose Edit option. This will open the process flow. Once the process flow is loaded, select this Deploy option and select your preferred deployment environment from the Choose Environment drop-down list. So if you choose hosted, that means if you have the cloud hosting environment, you can choose it from here. And you can choose the on-premise environment too. In the setup connection, you have to choose your Salesforce and Priority credentials. Once you have added both the credentials, you can move to the next and follow the rest path like this. Here in the lookup page, you can choose your lookups if it is required for the configuration purpose. Right now, I have added the currency for the value mapping segment, so let's choose the currency over here. Once we added the lookup, move to the next and choose your sync option. Like here, there are 2 types of synchronization process. One is automatic, another one is manual. For the manual process, you can trigger by manually here this process flow and the data will be executed. Otherwise, you can choose the automatic mode where you can put your frequency, like in a minute or hourly or daily basis you want to synchronize your data. So I'm adding is 1 minute and select this as automatic mode. So every 1 minute the data will get synced. So let's finish this configuration. Now I'm going to the Salesforce account and let's open the order segment to create a new order on behalf of the customer which I already have synced to Priority. So let's find out the customer from here. So let's choose a customer which I already have synchronized this account contact to Priority, and I'm putting all the mandatory information which I require for placing this order. Randomly adding all the information. Alright, I think I have added all the mandatory details. Now I'm putting the end date for this order, and once everything is done, let's save it. So the order header has been created. Now I'm going to add the order line item here. Let's add the product. So I'm choosing the standard price book pricing segment from here and let's choose the product. So I'm finding a product which already I have in both application. So let's choose that and select this item. I'm putting the quantity. So randomly adding with basic information. Apart from this, any extra information if needs to be mapped, that can be configured easily. So the order has been placed with the line item here in Salesforce. Now I'm quickly go to the Priority side so I can check the order whether it is successfully synchronized in Priority or not. For that I have login here and let's find out the sales order. Checking the sales order, let me show you the process flow end with success and the execution end with success. It shows that means the data has successfully synced. For that, for checking the data, I'm switching to the search mode and let's find out the sales order from here. So I'm finding out the sales order. So here's a sales order which I have created in Salesforce side. It has successfully synced in Priority with all the mandatory information which we have provided for this. So all this amounts are showing here, and if I just scroll down, if I go to the order items page, the exact item or line item for which I have placed the order, it shows here. So only the basic information we have added just to showcase this demo. Otherwise, if anything extra needed to be synced, we can map it easily. We hope you have this demo video helpful. Salesforce and Priority integration made easy with APPSeConnect's modern iPaaS. The Salesforce and Priority Connector can automate critical business process and streamline your organizational data efficiently. Just like Salesforce, you can connect your priority account with other CRMs, for example, Zoho CRM and HubSpot CRM, etc. as well. You also can connect your priority with other e-commerce platform, let's say Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, etc. etc. Apart from this, you also can connect your Salesforce account with other ERP, for example, SAP B1, Dynamics Nav, GP, etc. etc. For more details, please visit our website www.appseconnect.com. You could start your integration journey with APPSeConnect now.